Hello, my dear friends. Let us go to the new video on snippet series. Today, we'll talk about the largest companies in India. So, you would have learned in the previous sessions how to compute a market price or how the market price is determined, right? Now, let us look at the market value, highest market value companies in India. So, market price is the market price per share, and you multiply it by the number of shares, you will get about the information on the market value of the companies. What do you mean by one share? One share reflects the fractional ownership of a company. So if I own one share, am I the owner? Yes, you are the owner. But can you say that having one share in Reliance Industries same as Mukesh Ambani? No, because he will have more shares. Then how many shares does he have? How many shares does his wife has? You may think these are all personal matters, but the company is public company, so those matters also must be put before public. So in this video, I will tell you how to check those things. So first, get the things right. Market value is called as market cap. Market capitalization, the short form is called as market cap. It is obtained by number of shares multiplied by the market price per share. So first, let us understand how to get the top companies in India. Very simple. You can go to Google and say top companies in India. You can see top companies in India or top companies by market cap. It will go to Money Control website, and you can see that you will have you see Reliance is the first one, then you have TCS, then HDFC Bank, and so on, right? So let us go to the TCS. So what is the Reliance companies now? Reliance company is having a market cap of how much? 1062991 rupees crores. That is the largest company. Second is TCS having 791. And now that they have gone for the right issue, their price also will increase. The value of the company will further increase. Now, in the previous sections, I would have told you how to go to the NSE website. This time, I'll tell you how to go to the BSE website. Quickly, quote, let us go to Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries is the company. And you can see the basic details. Market cap full, you see 996. That is the market value of the company. Market cap FF stands for free float. So total company, what is held by promoters like Mukesh Ambani, and what is held by non-promoter is only traded held by public, which is traded in the stock market. Mukesh Ambani won't trade in that market daily, so that is called as free float. Market free float held by non-promoters. And let us go to the shareholding pattern. You see shareholding pattern here. Yeah, promoter public percentage 50% almost. So you can go to other companies. So if you want to know more details, you can come to promoters pledge holding here. Click on this arrow button. You can go to the website. So this will tell you promoters public, what are the number of shares. You see so many shares. How many zeros? 30980849683 3227 309 crores shares are there held by promoters, which is 50% of the total, and held by public. You can see the list of promoters here. Who are the promoters? Mukesh Ambani is having 75 lakh shares. Neeta Ambani who owns 75 lakh shares. Isha Ambani, Akash Ambani, Anant Ambani, KD Ambani is having 75 lakh shares each. If you want to know in the public shareholders who are all the main shareholders, that also you can see here. SBI mutual funds, the foreign portfolio investor means FPIs. So you can see how many life insurance companies, how many shares they're having, SBI mutual funds having. Like this, you can understand the company's ownership, who is having the shares. One more important thing, you can also see promoters pledge. When promoters, they want to give the money to somebody like banks, when they pledge shares, that is in case they're not able to make the payment, they pledge the shares. That is not a sign of good thing. You can check the exact details here to understand more about it. And whenever there is a pledge being done by promoter, that is also talking about the negative aspect towards a company. So today we learned what is market cap, market capitalization, what is free float market capitalization, how to understand about promoter shareholding in a company, and who are the promoters of a company. You can also try it like this for many more companies. So this is 5 minutes for today. See you tomorrow with new concept. Thank you.